Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we're gonna get busy trying to clean up a lot of these sticks over here. I don't know if you can see, there's a pile of them here. There's over there in the goat pen, there's a bunch of them. And then as soon as we get that all done, we're gonna tear down the old goat house and build a steel one. Because Moscow, it doesn't matter how many times you rebuild that thing, he constantly knocks the sides off of it. So today our goal is to get the sticks picked up here, and then there's a few over here as well, and then some over there in the big goat pen that we're gonna get picked up and put on. What are you doing, Pedro? No. And put on the trailer and then haul down to the brush pile. So if you stay with us, we'll get that done.
This is what Landon was doing.
What was he doing? Yeah, start throwing them on there. Hey, whenever I get over there, hand me the chainsaw though, okay, bro? And then the big brush. We're still gonna finish picking it up, putting it on the trailer. We got some on there right now. We just got a little bit to pick up there and a little bit to pick up right here. But for the most part over there in the buck pen, you get out there, we kind of got it all picked up. Now, I bought a bunch of shelving online. That's what we're gonna redo the buck pen with. But we're gonna make a whole new structure. We're gonna make a whole new structure, and we got the sheet metal here. We're gonna put on the top of it, and then all the sides are gonna be built out of the shelving material. I bought it all online. I didn't pay much for it. I think I paid $100 for a trailer load. It wasn't much at all, and it's heavy duty stuff, so I'll be able to build a goat shed with it, 2 goat sheds with it, and then I gotta have somewhere for my cows to get out of the weather, because the horses all come up here to that barn. So we're gonna build a couple more shelters out in the pastures for the cows and the horses to get in case they don't make it up here all the way on time. We'll have that done. I also filmed the other day of going and working on the Glencoe Rodeo Arena. I'm on the board for the Glencoe Boyd Davison Arena. They asked a few of us to come up and help and volunteer our time to do that, so we've been doing that, and now we're to the point where we're actually putting up the arena. There's going to be some clips in here. Next couple videos, I'll throw some other little clips in of us putting up the panels and stuff like that. That's just a big community activity that we do as a family, and as several of us in the community do, to give back to the community when we can. So we're all working together as hard as we can to try to get this arena put up, and we appreciate the support that everybody's giving us, and we appreciate you guys going down, subscribing. We're up to 53 subscribers at the point of this video. We really appreciate you guys subscribing and liking all the videos that you have. And with that, all right.
Thank you guys for coming along.
Please go down and hit the like and subscribe button,
And ring the notification bell.
so whenever we post new videos, you get notified.